Hello everyone. So today we'll be doing some higher order thinking questions in Trigo. These questions are not difficult or not lengthy, but involve some trick to solve, right? So we'll be doing around 20 questions. My advice, please solve all those 20 questions. When I'm doing a question, give a pause and try yourself. If you're scoring 15 out of 20, that's a very good score. That means you have very good authority on trigonometry, right? So let's start with the first question. That's write sine theta in terms of tan theta. So if I am saying, so you have to basically write sine theta is equals to something in form of tan theta upon something again in form of tan theta. So that RHS should only be in terms of tan theta. Okay? So give it a pause, solve it yourself and see if you are getting a correct answer. Okay, so solution is a generic solution. So not only sine theta in terms of tan theta, this is same solution for even cos theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, so we have to write our answer in form of tan theta. Let's see, tan theta is nothing but perpendicular upon base, right? If I'll amend my LHS is k times of tan theta. This is upon k is perpendicular upon base, right? So let's plot it on the triangle. So in this triangle, this angle is theta. Opposite to is perpendicular, which is k times of tan theta. Down below is base, which is k. And this is hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is base square plus perpendicular square, or hypotenuse is square root of base square plus perpendicular square, right? So our hypotenuse is coming as k times of square root 1 plus tan square theta. So I've written down everything in terms of tan theta basically, right? So whatever you have to find, you can find it easily now because all the sides are in terms of tan theta. So let's say if I have to find sine theta. So sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is k tan theta upon hypotenuse, which is k times of root 1 plus tan square theta. So my answer is sine theta is tan theta upon root of 1 plus tan square theta. So if you have got the answer correct, give yourself 1 mark and we'll proceed to next question. So this is second question. Now again, try it yourself and before seeing the solution and see if you are getting the correct answer. Now it's a similar question as previous one, but with the slight difference. Now this is sine square theta we are talking about. So your answer should be something like sine square theta is equals to something in tan theta upon something in tan theta. No? That's what I am looking for the expression. So let's start with our sine square theta itself. So I'm getting sine square theta, right? So if I'll break it with identity, this is 1 minus cos square theta, right? Now, this, if you'll see, if you're confused in the approach, you know, squares are involved here. So when squares are involved, so I can get my 10 square, है ना? मेरे को RHS में 10 square लाना है, तो मुझे 10 square कहाँ से मिलेगा? Of course, sec square की identity से मिलेगा, ठीक है? So 10 square I'll get 10 square theta is sec square theta minus 1, है ना? तो जहां पर मुझे sec square theta मिलेगा तो वहां पर मैं tan theta रिप्लेस कर सकता हूँ एंड sec square कहां से मिलेगा? वो मुझे cos square से मिलेगा. Cos square कहां से मिलेगा? वो हमें sin square से मिल रहा है. ठीक है? So that's the approach. So 1 minus cos square theta is there. So replace it with sec square theta. So this is 1 minus 1 upon sec square theta, right? Which is sec square theta minus 1 upon sec square theta. Now numerator sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta upon, and sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. अगर ये बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन आएगा तो बेटा आपको यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी लिखनी है which identity you have used. And that's your final answer, right? I hope you're enjoying the session. Let's take the third question. This is the third question. All the 20 questions which we are going to take, they are of 1 or 2 marks, except for few which are of 3 marks. Now this is again a 1 mark question. Pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, let's see the solution here. So for this, you'll have to square both the sides. Why I'm squaring is because when I see sin theta and cos theta, है ना, तो मन में ना सवाल उठ रहा है ना, मतलब साइन स्क्वायर और कॉस स्क्वायर होगा तो हम इजिली आइडेंटिटी लगा सकते हैं ना. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड करें तो ऑफ कोर्स विल गेट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड्स. Squaring both sides. So LHS, I am getting a square plus b square minus 2ab and RHS is 2/3, right? तो यहाँ पर हमारा पर्पस जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हो रहा है. दिस थिंग इज नथिंग बट 1. So this is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is, this was squaring both sides, is 4/9, and I'm getting 2 sin theta cos theta is 1 minus 4/9, right? So sin theta cos theta is, so this becomes 5/9 and by 2, so that is 5/18, and that's my answer. Okay, just copy down the solution. Okay, if you like the question, then keep it in your important questions notebook, which will help during revisions. So let's move to question number 4. I hope you are scoring good. Let's see how you are doing in next question. Okay, so here comes your next question. You see the question is more or less same as the last one. Okay, so when the initial part comes, this part is same, which is given. To find, that has changed a bit, Now instead of sine into cos, you have to find sine plus cos, right? So approach, okay, before we solve it, please try yourself. So how to proceed this is square both sides. So by squaring both sides, you are getting sine square plus cos square minus 2 sine cos is 4/9, right? And solving this, you are getting 2 sine theta cos theta. This is 1 minus 4/9, which is 5/9, right? Next step, you add 1 both side. So 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta is 5/9 plus 1. This one will replace with sine square plus cos square. So sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. This is 14/9, right? This is a square plus b square. So I am applying a plus b whole square. Sine theta plus cos theta whole square is square root of 14/9, right? Taking root on both sides. So I'm getting my answer as sine theta plus cos theta is square root of 14/9, which is root 14/3. ठीक है, यहां पर आई हैव नॉट टेकन द नेगेटिव साइन. ठीक है, आंसर हमारा बेटा क्या होना चाहिए था, प्लस माइनस रूट 14/3, बट नेगेटिव इज इनवैलिड. थिंक ऑन इट, पॉज इट, थिंक व्हाई नेगेटिव इज इनवैलिड. ठीक है, बिफोर चेकिंग इट. ओके, सो व्हाई नेगेटिव इज इनवैलिड, बिकॉज आप यहां पर बात कर रहे हैं साइन प्लस कॉस. ठीक है, and both sine and cos are positive, so their sum cannot be negative. ठीक है, negative is invalid as sine theta and cos theta are both positive. ठीक है? Only small correction you have to do is in the question you see that theta is greater than equals to 0 and is less than 90 degrees है ना. ये greater than 90 बेटा ये गलत है, आप क्वेश्चन में करेक्शन कर लें. Okay, so if you have got a wrong answer, you have excuse है ना कि सर क्वेश्चन ही गलत दिया हुआ था. ठीक है, बट आई थिंक ये जो डाटा ये बिल्कुल लास्ट में यूज हो रहा है. एंड थीटा से रिलेटेड जो हमारी यूज है, यूटिलिटी है, वो आप 11th में सीखेंगे कि अगर एंगल 90 से ज्यादा होता है देन व्हाट्स द चेंज इन द वैल्यू ऑकर. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हियर कम्स योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, ट्राई इट बाय योरसेल्फ एंड लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर. ठीक है, आई होप यू आर ट्राइंग ऑल द क्वेश्चन बिफोर चेकिंग द सॉल्यूशन. अब यहाँ पर बेटा बहुत बड़ा इश्यू आ रहा है ना, बहुत बड़े पंगे हो रहे हैं. ये आपका स्क्वायर है, ये आपकी पावर 4 है ना. तो स्क्वेयरिंग बोथ साइड भी नहीं कर सकते हम यहाँ पर. सो इफ यू विल एक्चुअली चेक, यू डोंट नीड टू स्क्वायर बोथ साइड्स है ना. यहाँ पर ये जीरो गिवन है बेटा. ठीक है, इस जीरो को हम यूज करेंगे. जब इसको यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा. वाओ, if you divide both side by cos theta, so I'll get tan theta. Dividing both side by cos theta, I'm getting tan theta is 1 and therefore theta is 45 degrees. हमें थीटा की डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पता चल गई है. तो यहां पर आप इसको अगर देखेंगे, दिस टर्म इज नथिंग बट साइन स्क्वायर 45 डिग्रीज प्लस cos raised to power 4 45 degrees. Sin 45, I know you know the terms, values, that is 1 by root 2 cos square plus 1 by root 2 raised to power 4. So this is half plus 1 by 4 and my answer is 3 by 4. Simple है ना? It was 1 mark question only, not more than 1 mark. So this 5, ठीक है, keep a check how many you are getting correct. Let's move to next question. Okay, I think this is our question number 6. Let's see the solution of this. So we have given equation is given and then you have to find value of cos theta. So to solve the equation, let's simplify the LHS. Okay, so I am doing is simplifying LHS. So my this thing is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta है ना. One of the easiest approach of simplifying is convert everything into sin and cos. ठीक है, so convert in sin theta and cos theta है ना. That's the easiest simplest way. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta into, so this is 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. ठीक है, simplifying this LHS हम LCM लेंगे. This is cos theta is there, so I'm getting cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 and into, so this is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, right? So यहाँ पर बेटा ब्रैकेट ओपन करने से पहले if you will see, this is a है ना, sin plus cos is your a and 1 is your b. So I am applying a plus b, a minus b. So what I am getting here is, this is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 upon sin cos, right? Opening the brackets. So sin plus cos whole square, that is sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin cos minus 1 upon sin cos, right? Now we know that sin square plus cos square is 1. This will get cancelled with this one, right? and sine cos will get cancelled with sine cos, and LHS is coming as 2. Wow. So LHS is simplified into 2. That means LHS में थीटा की जगह आप बेटा कुछ भी वैल्यू रखो, 30, 40, 50, है ना, this will always come down as 2. This is equals to cosec theta. ठीक है, cosec theta किसके इक्वल होता है बेटा? sin theta, 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is 2, and what I am getting is sin theta is 1 by 2, and which is sine 30 degrees. ठीक है, therefore theta is 30 degrees and cos theta is cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. This is my answer. This you can expect for 3 marks in board. ठीक है, I hope you are enjoying the session. Each question not difficult but slightly tricky. ठीक है, let's move to the next question. Okay, you have to find value of sin raised to power 6 15 degree. Oh my god, 15 डिग्री का तो हमने कभी किया ही नहीं है. ठीक है, now believe me, we are not going to use any formula other than class 10th formula, है ना. Still we can solve this. So I know you can also solve this, है ना. So वीडियो को पॉज करो, एक बार सिंसियर ट्राई करो, है ना, maybe 10 minutes, but do try it out, है ना. See if you can find the answer and then see the approach. Okay, if you will see here, ठीक है, अगर मुझे कोई आइडेंटिटी बोली जाएगी कि यहाँ पर कुछ आइडेंटिटी शायद लग सकती है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई नो इज, फर्स्ट थिंग इज, ये जो 15 डिग्री है ये तो बुलशिट है ना, ये बकवास है. तो यहाँ पर बेसिकली थीटा होना चाहिए था एंड विल गेट सम एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. सो बेसिकली क्वेश्चन जो है दैट इज समथिंग लाइक sin raised to power 6 थीटा प्लस cos थीटा का की पावर 6 प्लस 3 times of sin square थीटा एंड cos square थीटा. तो इसकी कुछ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू निकलेगी. ठीक है, और ये अगर हम ये 3 को देखें तो ये ना कहीं हमारा क्यूबिक आइडेंटिटी में आता है ना ये 3. तो यहां पर अगर हम इसको a ले लें तो ये साइन की पास 6 थीटा ये हमारा a क्यूब कहलाएगा बेसिकली. ठीक है, सो आई एम सेइंग दैट लेट a इज योर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. ठीक है, देन a क्यूब विल बी साइन रेज्ड टू पावर 6 थीटा. ठीक है, so this identity I am writing again as not in terms of AB. I know you can easily catch what I am writing here now. This is हमारा जो A term है A cube plus B cube वाली identities में. So sin square theta is your A. So इसके cube की हम बात कर रहे हैं plus cos square theta का cube plus 3AB into a प्लस बी होता है ना. हमारी जो आइडेंटिटी है बेटा, दैट आइडेंटिटी इज व्हाट, a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab एंड a प्लस b. तो अब यहाँ पर a प्लस b का मतलब क्या है, साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर. तो वो तो हम लिख सकते हैं ना, इंटू 1 करके लिख सकते हैं हम, और 1 की वैल्यू क्या रिप्लेस करेंगे हम, साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर. So let me write this as sin square theta plus cos square theta, है ना. हमने into 1 किया और 1 को हमने sin square plus cos square से रिप्लेस कर दिया. Now this is my a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, where a is sin square, b is cos square. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, which is 1 cube, which is 1. Thus my answer is 1. Right? I hope you are enjoying the video. ठीक है, let's move to the next question. Okay, what I like is आपका जितना भी स्कोर आ रहा है ना, आप उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखें that how much you have scored out of 20. ठीक है, I think this is 8th question which we are doing. So last में सारे questions attempt करने हैं and last में please do write down your score. Okay, so this is not 8 but 9th question है ना. चलो let's solve this question. तो यहाँ पर बेटा अगर देखो मैं ब्रैकेट ओपन कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को बहुत सारे इश्यूज आ जाएंगे है ना. सो मेरे पास टर्म्स इंक्रीज हो जाएंगी. सो व्हाट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इज कि पहले इस क्वेश्चन में ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व किया जाए. ठीक है, और ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करने से पहले व्हाट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इज दैट यू पॉज द वीडियो एंड ट्राई इट योरसेल्फ. ओके, लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर. सो आई एम राइटिंग दिस एज sin square theta cos square minus cos square theta cos square plus 1 into cosec square theta. ठीक है, so this what I'm getting is a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta into a minus b, right, which is sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 into cosec square theta. है ना, मैं सिर्फ इक्वेशन की पहली दो टर्म है ना सिर्फ इन पे काम कर रहा हूं अभी. Nothing else I am doing. This I know is nothing but 1. So what I am left with this equation is now sin square theta minus cos square theta, no power 4 is left now, plus 1 into cosec square theta. ठीक है, अब ब्रैकेट के अंदर स्क्वायर है, ब्रैकेट के बाहर भी स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, so we can think on multiplying it. But before that, है ना, let's see if anything else can be simplified. So we have got 1, we have minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square. So this is sin square theta into, sorry, plus sin square theta, right, into cosec square theta. So this is 2 sin square theta cosec square theta. Oh, sin square and cosec square is getting cancelled. And our answer is 2. Right? This is absolute value. Means it's shouting कि whatever value of theta you put, whether 1 degree, 10 degree, 15 degrees, doesn't matter. Answer will always be 2. Right? So that, this is a question, but actually this is like an identity itself. It's valid for all values of theta. That's where the trigonometry keeps becoming more and more beautiful. Okay, so let's move to 10th question. Okay, let's see it here. Again, same request. Please try it yourself before checking the solution. Given is sine plus cos is root 3. Find value of 10 plus cot. Okay, so let's see the solution here. One thing which strikes my mind when I see sine and cos. क्या स्ट्राइक कर रहा है भाई कि साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर जो है वो 1 होता है. बट उस आइडेंटिटी के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? हाँ जी, वेरी गुड, है ना. यू हैव टू स्क्वायर बोथ साइड. सो माय स्टेप इज स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इज sin square theta plus cos square theta is plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is root 3 square, which is 3. You know, I've just done squaring both sides, nothing else. Now this thing is nothing but 1. So I'm getting 2 sin theta cos theta is 2, right? Or what I'm getting is sin theta into cos theta is 1. Now, what to do now? Okay, so this sin theta cos theta, right? I'll take it on other side. So I'm getting 1 is 1 upon sin theta cos theta, and 1 is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta, right? So this is sin square upon sine theta cos theta plus cos square upon sine theta cos theta, you know, or this is, we are getting our answer, sine plus cot theta, you know, and LHS sine 10 plus cot value is coming as 1. That's our answer. Okay, so this is what we have done is 10 question. So the video is extended for an hour. So I feel we should give it a pause here. Solve these 10 questions. Okay, and next 10 questions video I'll put it for next time. Okay, so let's end the session here. I hope you enjoyed it and do copy it down. And a few questions which you find were interesting and were informative. So please copy it down for revision in future. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.